Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with OpenShot for adding transitions and titles. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with OpenShot, first, download the software from the official OpenShot website. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer to run it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install OpenShot on your computer. After installation, launch OpenShot by clicking on its icon. When OpenShot opens, you'll see a user-friendly interface with various options. To register or access additional features, navigate to the top menu bar. Click on the Help option. In the drop-down menu, find and select Register. A registration window will pop up. Enter your email address in the provided field. Create a password that you will remember and input it in the corresponding field. If required, fill out any additional information requested in the form. Once you have entered all the necessary details, click on the Submit button. You will receive an email with a confirmation link. Check your email inbox for the confirmation message. Click on the link in the email to verify your registration. Return to OpenShot after confirming your email. Now that you're registered, let's explore adding transitions. Import your video clips into OpenShot by dragging and dropping them into the project timeline. Select the video clip where you want to add a transition. Navigate to the Transitions tab in the toolbar. Browse through the available transitions and choose one you like. Drag the selected transition to the timeline. Place it between the two clips where you want the transition to occur. To customize the duration, click on the transition in the timeline. Adjust its length by dragging the edges of the transition. Now let's add titles to your project. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.